Hey guys, what's up? I'm Bianca. Welcome to my channel. So it is no surprise that I love cheap things. I always shop at thrift stores. I always shop on the clearance rack. I always try to make the most of my money and let it stretch out for as long as possible. If I can make my clothes, I do that. If I could recycle my clothes from a long time ago and turn them into something else, I'll do that. So with that being said, I went into Primark, notably the cheapest store ever, and went on the clearance rack and found so many things, including a pair of shoes for $30. What? So with that being said, let's get into this try on haul. But before we do so, if you like this video at any point, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and follow me over on Instagram, and let's just get right into it. Alright, so we got the loot. Again, like I said, every single thing was $30. Like, here's the receipt. I am not lying. Look. Boop. So I got 11 things for
$30 flat.
In New York, we don't have sales tax on clothes. I don't know what state you're from, but that's so fun for us. So let's start off with the most basic, just a plain white tee. It's actually like a men's tee, size medium. It was supposed to be in a package, but I guess it was on clearance because it was not in the package. It was supposed to be in like a package of 3, and whatever, just a plain white shirt, and I got it for $1. And it's so crisp and nice and clean. We love her. Okay, next is just like this plain gray 3/4 sleeve, kind of a turtleneck, not really, it's just like a high neck top, and it's really thin and it's like cotton t-shirt material, but it's super cute and perfect for like anything. And that gray shirt was $3. So next we have some leggings. They're just like navy blue high-waisted leggings. They're kind of like thick, I guess. They're a little thick. They have like a thick waistband, and these were $1. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not lying, they were $1. So obviously by the looks of it, I chose pretty much of the same color scheme. Everything that I got was either white, gray, or navy blue. So I guess that's what they were getting rid of, and that was just what their clearance was, so whatever. This shirt, I actually really like this shirt. This might be like my favorite of the bunch. It looks like a kid's shirt, but trust me, it's not a kid's shirt. It's just like an extra small, so it says 2XS. This was $5. This was like my most expensive item, to be honest. It's long sleeves, and the sleeves have a like cottony band that matches the collar on top, so it's like super cute and like cozy, like cozy wear. I don't know. Next, this is actually, I'm lying. Okay, so the shirt maybe wasn't my favorite item, but the skirt definitely is my favorite item. So this was $5, and it's like a corduroy kind of denim navy blue mini skirt. It's high-waisted with a cute belt. It's like kind of retro-y, but also like really on trend and really cute, and I love her so much. She's so cute. She fits so well. This was $5, and I got it in a size 4, so it's a little, not that it's a little tight, like it fits like very well. It fits actually perfectly, but like since I kind of often wear things a little bigger, I feel like I wanted it in a 6, but the 6 was just like too big on my waist. Okay, next, I actually wore this sweater, I think, in one of my Instagram pictures. Have I worn this yet? I know I've worn it, but I don't know if I've taken a picture in it yet. Whatever. If you don't follow me on Insta, right here. So the next item is just like a really cozy men's sweater. It's like, oh, it's so cute. It's knit, and I got it in a medium, so it could be a little longer. So in the summer, I could wear it, or the spring. So in the spring, I can wear it kind of like a sweater dress with like cute booties, or like even sandals if it gets like chilly hot, like that kind of weird weather where you don't know how to dress. So this is a medium. The sleeves are really long, but I just like cuff them cute, and this is in a men's, and I think this was $3. That was it for the clothes, but next is all the accessories. So I got a bandeau top for 50 cents. So it's just like a plain black bandeau, really cute and simple. You know the deal. How could you beat it, honestly? So that was a last minute buy, because at the register they have like so many knickknacks, and again, everything's on clearance because they're getting rid of a lot of stuff to, I guess, clear in for spring. I got 2 one-size-fit-all thongs. Obviously I'm not going to try these on, but here you go. They were 50 cents each. Usually they're $1. I actually own a lot of these. Just cute, one size fits all, lacy, cheeky, cute little underwear. I have to wash them obviously first, but I got them in, again, navy blue and light blue / gray. These are both a little different. So this is like a true thong and this one is more of like a cheeky, lacy, sexy, whatever. So socks. These socks weren't on clearance, but they basically should have been because they're $3.50 for a pack of 7 for like black ankle socks, which if you're kind of an adult, kind of have ever looked at the price of socks, bro, they're like $15, $20, $30. Like if you try to buy one pair of Nike socks, they're so expensive. Like I'm baffled. I will never in my life. I always stick to my Primark socks. They work fine, they're they're thin. I hate thick socks anyway. They make me all sweaty and gross and ugh, I hate that. So $3.50 for my socks. Okay, so my most prized possession, something that I've been wearing all week since I bought these every single day. Literally, I've been wearing these shoes every single day. I bought a pair of shoes for $5. And I'm so happy about them. They're like Vans dupes, but like honestly, I really don't care. They're like cute. They're like the hockey skate shoe. They're platform. Obviously, the design's a little off because Vans are more squiggled than straight lined, but they're like cute leather / canvas. Oh no, they're all leather, just kidding. I don't care. I'm someone who will always stand for dupes and stuff like that because, I don't know, when I was younger, I feel like I remember Vans being relatively affordable, and now I went into the store because I just wanted like a plain black pair. They're like $65. Like I don't really have that to spend on one pair of shoes, and even if I did, like I wouldn't want to. I'm just not that kind of person to go out of my way to spend $65, $70 on a pair of sneakers. Like at the end of the day, they are sneakers. So I got these for $5. Like how can you go wrong? Story time. So there was this girl in the 5th grade, and like when we were younger, I don't know, my parents couldn't afford to get us Uggs. They were like $150, and there's 3 girls in my family. Like that adds up. If one gets one, the other has to get one, and the other has to get one. No, wasn't in the budget. So my mom was so nice, and one day she surprised us when like Uggs were such a trend. She surprised us with like these Ugg dupes, you know, Fugs. That's what the kids used to call them. So they were cute and they were pink, and they really didn't look like Uggs, but they were like kind of like similar style. And I wore them one day and I was so excited because my mom bought them for me, and I was so happy to wear them to school. And I was in the 5th grade. Actually, no, I was in the 4th grade because the girl who made fun of me was in the 5th grade. And I was walking into my class, you know, we would line up with the buddy system, and her and like these 2 boys were standing like, I'm like getting frazzled from this story. So her and these 2 boys were standing across like the hallway. So she comes up to me and she's like, those boys, my friends, they totally just dissed your Fugs. And I was like mortified. And then I never wore those shoes again, even though I was so happy when my mom gave them to me. I kept them in the closet. Like I would only wear them in the house. I turned them into like my house shoes, like my slipper shoes. And like thinking about that now, how stupid that was, and how I'm so upset that 1, how kids could be so mean, and 2, how who cares? It's just a dupe. Like you don't have to have like the name brand everything. We see now so many Gucci DIYs on YouTube. How to make this Gucci jacket, like shout out Amber Scholl. How to make her red bottoms. Like she literally painted a pair of red bottoms when she couldn't afford red bottoms. Like why not? Listen, like I'm all for supporting like the original artist and stuff like that, but when it's brands that are so big and like obviously unattainable for people who want to live a certain lifestyle and like obviously can't afford it. Like I know I'm talking about a $65 pair of shoes, but like the same style for $5. So moral of the story, whatever, I don't care that they're dupes. I love and I own the fact that I can totally love that I buy cheaper things now, and I'm so frugal and patient and good and kind with my money because all of my style and all of the things that I wear look so much better than these people who had the name brand this and the name brand that, and who made fun of me for cutting up my t-shirts and trying to make them look like cooler. You know what I mean? Whatever, fashion is weird, and that's why I shop on clearance and oftentimes search for things that kind of are the underdogs. I really hope you guys enjoyed this try on haul, and if you like this video at any point, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and follow me over on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!